The type of person you're going to be tomorrow, or the kind of life you're going to live tomorrow, they all depend on a single decision that you can make today. Because here's the thing, a lot of people think that their future is some kind of a package that's well packaged somewhere and it's waiting for them to come and snatch it and then unwrap it. But that's not how life works. Our lives are a manifestation of our daily decisions, and our daily decisions are influenced by the way we think and by the information we allow to dominate our minds. Hence, you are the kind of person you are today. You do the things you do, you behave the way you behave, you think the way you think, you associate with the type of people that you are associating with. It's not a coincidence. All that was set in motion by the way you think. And that's why you need to be very careful of the things you allow to dominate your mind. You need to be very careful of the type of data you allow into your mind, because your mind determines the direction that your life will take. If you don't like your life today, it's not because somebody has bewitched you. It's not because somebody is hating on you or somebody doesn't like you. It's all because of the way you think and the way you perceive the world and the way you perceive your world and the way you relate with the world around you. What am I saying? What I'm saying is you need to be very careful of the type of things you allow into your mind, because your mind determines the direction that your life is going to take. That's why the Bible says, be transformed by the renewing of your minds. In other words, be changed, be transfigured by the renewing of your minds, because your mind is like a hardware that stores data. As long as you have a hardware that has all data in it, that even if you can plug it into a new machine, the machine, although it's new, won't behave differently. It will behave like an old machine because of the old data that's in the hardware. Now, in order to bring change or to transform the behavior of the machine, you need to introduce a new type of data. And that's why the Bible says, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. In other words, change the type of data that's in your hardware.